Right now, the world is watching one narrow waterway and one ticking clock. US President Donald Trump has said that Iran's latest ceasefire proposal is a significant step, but still not good enough. And now, a final deadline is approaching. One that could decide whether the war escalates dramatically or moves towards peace. Because if this deadline passes without a deal, Washington would carry out massive strikes on Iran's infrastructure, including power plants and transport networks. What exactly is Iran proposing? Why is Trump rejecting it? And most importantly, how is the global economy going to be reshaped by this? All this and much more is lined up, but let's start with the basics. Over the past few days, intense diplomatic negotiations have been underway behind the scenes. Iran has submitted a new proposal aimed at ending the war. Trump himself acknowledged that the offer is important. He described it as a very significant step. But he also made one thing clear: it does not meet US demands. The US wants three key outcomes. First, Iran must reopen the Strait of Hormuz. We all know that. Second, Iran must address concerns about nuclear weapons. And third, there must be guarantee that attacks on shipping will stop. But Iran is demanding something different. Tehran wants a permanent end to the war, lifting of sanctions and financial support for reconstruction. In other words, the US wants immediate security and Iran wants long-term economic guarantee. Here's where the situation becomes dangerous. President Trump has set a strict deadline for Iran to accept a deal. If not, the consequences could be severe. And he says that the deadline is final. No more extensions. No more extensions. To prevent a wider war, international mediators are stepping in. Countries like Pakistan, Egypt, and Turkey are now trying to broker peace. Now, if the deadline passes without any deal, the consequences could be severe. And apart from military consequences, economic consequences could be severe too. Look at oil prices. Oil prices would skyrocket like anything. Gasoline prices in the US are already surging to record highs. Gasoline prices in the US have reached $4 per gallon. It is the highest level since 2022. And the stock market is volatile right now. Investors are losing confidence in safe haven assets by each passing day. And it's just the beginning. And until conditions are not met, the US says that it will not accept a ceasefire no matter what. Now, the clock is ticking, and the next few hours or days would determine whether the Middle East moves towards peace or a much larger conflict. What will happen to oil prices, gasoline prices, energy supply, all will determine on just one unpredictable factor: reopening of Strait of Hormuz. So, lastly, to sum it all up, I'll ask you viewers, how do you see this whole situation? Think and tell us in the comment section below.